5E error code on a Samsung washing machine front load. So basically this means that the machine has a drainage problem. So maybe it's blocked, or either the pump has an issue. So what we do is we switch off the machine and then we check the drainage system. So let's switch it off. So what we do, this is the filter, this is the emergency water pipe, drainage pipe. So we open the filter and then we see if something is clogged in there, or the machine needs service or something on the drainage side. So have something like a mop or a duster near, because it will spill water. So we open here, there's a lot of water in there. So basically there's nothing inside. Ooh, yes, there's something. So what we do, we power it on. I'll put it on spin, because on spin it will basically drain water. Normally use a low spin of 400 because the machine is quite old. But then yes, we power it, we see. So the pump is running, you can hear the sound of the pump. But it's making a lot of noise. Seems something is stuck in there or what? So we'll have to open the pump. We check, we see if there is a problem. But from the display board, there's no error. So let's see if it moves to number 11 and then it spins. The machine is stuck on 11, so we have to check other components. We figure out what the issue is. But basically, if the machine is not spinning, it could also be related to a pump issue, or even the motor or the PCB. But for now, it's not showing 5 error, so we see what we can do about it.